Bookkeeping versus tax planning. Which one is better? Well, I want to explain them to you, explain the differences, and explain to you which one I think is better and which one you as a professional is going to probably get the most value out of the service offering to your particular client. So I am going to hop right over here to my iPad. So bookkeeping versus tax planning. So first of all, let's make the distinction between the two of them and make sure that we recognize what the big difference is. So bookkeeping is literally where you are on a monthly basis, right? Monthly basis. You are taking the books and records of the taxpayer, and you are reporting what has sort of happened last month, right? So you're reporting the past, right? You're reporting the past because we do bookkeeping after the close of the month. So you would, of course, be getting their bank statements, their credit card statements, bank statements. You got to get the credit card statements. You got to get their income. You got to wait to the end of the month, and then you're going to record all of their transactions into a bookkeeping system, and then you're giving them information, providing old information, really. You're providing information that has happened in the past information. The thing about bookkeeping is most clients look at bookkeeping as an expense to them, as a necessary evil. They don't really see the value in bookkeeping. It's a necessary evil. Right? They look at it as an expense. And to them, it doesn't have any real value. No value. Planning, on the other hand, is different because when you're planning, you are planning for the future, right? You're looking ahead as to what's going on and you're planning for the future. That's the big thing about planning. You're looking ahead. You're helping them make decisions to ward off expense. That's what you're doing. You're planning to lower their tax bill. So planning to lower taxes. You're looking at the future. You can really bring a person value when you are doing planning for them. You're bringing them value. Why do I say you bring them value? Because you are immediately showing them how to lower their taxes. You're giving them guidance moving forward. You're not saying, oh, this is what happened in the past. You're giving them forward moving guidance when you're doing planning and you're showing them how to lower their taxes. So for example, if I'm working with a planning client and let's say a planning client makes 100 grand and I'm able to get that planning client to go from an LLC and plan to move them to an S Corp, right? And we know in an LLC, they're going to get hit with $15,300 because of the self-employment tax at 15.3%. And I'm planning with them and I say, go to an S Corp and I move them from an LLC into an S Corp. I have immediately saved them $15,300. Guess what? They're going to want to pay me. They're going to be instantly happy. I'm giving them proactive information, and I proved my value. And I can do that over and over again. I don't have to wait to the end of the month. I don't have to wait on bank statements. I am literally planning with the client. I'm having ongoing conversations. Ongoing conversations. Let's get conversation spelled in there right? Ongoing conversations with them. I'm providing value, immediate I'm providing immediate value. I'm paying for myself. Right? I am helping the taxpayer versus the bookkeeping is what I like to say old news. Bookkeeping doesn't help lower tax liability at all, right? So you're not bringing that immediate value back to them. That's why it's so important, honestly, that you realize that tax planning is going to help you stay relevant, help you stay in the conversation with your clients. It's going to put cash back in their pocket. You're going to become their trusted advisor. They're going to lean into you more so. That's why offering that service keeps you relevant. It's all year long. It's not this rush at the end of the year when all of the year's finances need to be caught up or all the year's bookkeeping need to be caught up. That's why offering bookkeeping is good. You can get clients by offering bookkeeping, but keeping those clients, bringing them value, and giving them the ability to pay you big is planning. People aren't going to pay you big for bookkeeping, but for planning, they are going to pay you for planning because you are literally going to save them money and they can afford to not pay you. That is why I love planning, and you will also. That's why I want you to continue to like, comment, and subscribe so I can give you more education around different ways to take your practice and service offering to the next level.